Hello, I am at an undisclosed location and I am going to be filming a bike check going into 2025. We've got the Sunday Gary Young signature wavelength frame. It's got a 75-degree head tube angle and a 72 seat tube angle. It's a 13.65 to a 14 on the back end, which is the main reason why I got this. Just wanted it to be bigger, stabler, and better for what I do, which is park, if you can't tell by the gyro. Yeah, it comes with this lovely seat clamp. I got an Odyssey one as well because I didn't think it would come with the seat clamp, but I've gone with a Sunday to make it look better. I really like the sound wave type of tubing on the bottom to prevent dents. And the sticker set is just lovely. It just works. It's great. It's grey as well. It's amazing. It just looks beautiful. Colour is immaculate. The bars, I went for the night shifts. They're 9.635 rise, I believe. 28 width, and they're just nice tall. And because I changed my stem, which is the Brock Rayford Odyssey stem with a 50mm reach, I used to run an S&M stem at the 32, so it kind of evens it out, makes the whole bike work a lot better. 6 Sunday headset, just because it tidies up the whole bike, obviously Sunday Odyssey kind of vibe. Straight to the forks, I got these Sunday dark wave forks. They're the only 28mm offset Sunday forks that were, well, considered brand new for the new bike. So that's why I went for them. Not sure what this seat's called, but I really like it. It's got kind of like a metal-y kind of Odyssey seat type of thing. It's really nice. But moving straight onto these. I got the Fiend sprocket. It's one of the nicest sprockets in the game. It just looks beautiful, it is beautiful, and it's durable, which is the main reason I'm going for that one. I've gone for the Shadow Supreme chain. I've wanted it for so long. It looks so nice, and what more of a perfect build than to put it on this one. So that, I believe, was a brilliant choice. The Odyssey bottom bracket works really well, looks really nice, looks really cool, looks really sleek. And that leads to the Black Colt Crew cranks in 165. I heard when I was very small that small cranks help with rotation. So I've always run 165s and I don't think I'd ever change. Yeah, as you can tell, cranks are lovely. I used to have chrome ones, but for this build, I felt like any chrome on the frame wouldn't look as nice. So any part of chroming does not touch the frame, which is absolutely perfect. It works really well with the colours, especially the stem, the perfect splatter with it. I've also got an Odyssey M2 lever. I went for the dual cable setup as it looks really clean, looks really sleek, and yeah, it's perfect. So moving on to the wheels, I have these Profile Elites on a G Sport rim with the Demolition Momentum tyres. These were just wide. I like these. I've run these for years now. Reliable, etc. And yeah, that leads to the pegs. These are the G Sport Pleg 2s, I believe. These are really good because if you're a park rider like me, they're really hollow. Half of the tube spacer goes to like here. Just works really well with the weight. Here's the rear. I have the Profile Elite polished hub, but on the rear I went for the Odyssey Hazard Light because Chrome G Sports just do not exist anymore. I'm running the Ride Now tubes on the back because of the lightweight of it. I would run one on the front as well, but I've had to run a Tubolito due to the angle of the inner tube. It kind of is too angled for the thin tubes, so I went for the less thin tube but still a light tube, the Tubolito. So that is the new bike going into 2025. That wasn't good.